Welcome to Comprehensive Planning 101. The following presentation will provide you with the background information about the comprehensive plan and the planning process in Fairfax County. The comprehensive plan is mandated by the Code of Virginia and serves as a guide for decision-making about the county's land use. The plan is the long-range vision for land use and development in your community, anticipating change over the next 20 to 30 years. The purpose of planning is to promote the health, safety, and welfare of the public, to manage growth, change, and renewal of the community, to ensure a continued high quality of life for residents, and balance diverse community goals, from sustainability to revitalization issues. You may be asking, why should I care about the comprehensive plan? Whether you are a resident or a business owner, you have a stake in shaping the county's future. Fairfax County is full of different places where we live, work, and play. Some of these places are planned to stay exactly like they are, while others are planned to change in the future. Each of these places is like a piece in a puzzle. It's important to understand how your neighborhood or business and its future fits into the long-term plan for the county's land use and development. The Fairfax County Comprehensive Plan consists of the policy plan, the 4 area plan volumes, and several related maps. The policy plan contains the goals for Fairfax County, which address the future development pattern of the county and the protection of natural and cultural resources for present and future generations, as well as objectives and policies that guide planning and development review considerations for implementing the goals. The 4 area plans represent 4 geographic areas in which the county is divided. These areas are further divided into 14 planning districts and 98 community planning sectors. In addition to the policy plan and area plan volumes, the comprehensive plan has 3 maps: the Comprehensive Land Use Plan map, the Countywide Transportation Plan map, and the Countywide Trails Plan map. The Comprehensive Land Use Map illustrates the baseline recommendations for planned land uses, transportation improvements, and public facilities. The Transportation and Trails maps show existing and planned transportation facilities throughout the county. Land use recommendations within the Comprehensive Plan are derived from and guided by the Concept for Future Development and Land Classification System. The Concept for Future Development consists of 3 elements: the Land Classification System, the Concept Map, and the associated guidelines. The Land Classification System divides the county into 8 broad categories that describe the desired future character for each area. The Concept Map illustrates the general location of these categories, from the Tysons Corner Urban Center, shown in black, to low-density residential areas, shown in green. The Land Classification System guidelines gives direction for each category in terms of land use, transportation, environment, public facilities, and parks and recreation. Land use in the comprehensive plan is expressed in general terms, such as residential, industrial, retail, and mixed use. The plan text contained in the policy plan and area plans complements the map and gives further detail about the land use recommendations and general policies for development and preservation. Taken together, the text and maps comprise a framework that is used by the Board of Supervisors, the Planning Commission, county staff, and the public to guide land use, transportation, and public facility decision-making. There are many terms used when discussing comprehensive planning. 2 of the most common terms are development density and intensity. Residential use is expressed as density and is defined as dwelling units per acre. The comprehensive plan typically recommends residential density in ranges. For instance, single-family homes are found in a lower density range, such as 1 to 2 dwelling units per acre, while townhouses are found in a higher density range, such as 5 to 8 dwelling units per acre. Garden apartments are generally within a range of 16 to 20 dwelling units per acre, while mid and high-rise apartments exceed these ranges. Non-residential and mixed use is expressed as intensity, as defined by a floor area ratio, known as FAR. FAR is a calculation of building area over land area. A neighborhood shopping center is generally about a 0.30 to a 0.35 FAR. As a rule of thumb, intensity above 0.50, FAR, will generally require underground or structured parking for office development. To recap what you've learned in Comprehensive Planning 101, we'll now give you a pop quiz. Question number 1, true or false? Virginia State Code requires Fairfax County to have a comprehensive plan. The answer is true. The Virginia State Code requires Fairfax County to have a comprehensive plan to serve as a decision-making tool for future land use decisions. Question number 2, how is the FAR calculated? A, the first floor area multiplied by the developable land of the site. B, the total floor area of the building divided by the total area of the entire site. C, the total land area of the site divided by the developable land of the site. D, the total floor area of the building multiplied by the total area of the entire site. The answer is B. The floor area ratio is a simple calculation that divides the total floor area of the building, excluding the basement and parking garage, by the total area of the entire site. Question number 3. Which of these items is a part of the comprehensive plan? A, the policy plan and the area plans. B, transportation plan map. C, trails map. D, comprehensive plan land use map. E, all of the above. The answer is E, all of the above. The comprehensive plan consists of the policy plan, the 4 area plan volumes, and 3 associated maps. Congratulations! You have completed Comprehensive Planning 101. The maps and documents you've seen in this program may be viewed from the Department of Planning and Zoning website. To learn more about the Comprehensive Plan and planning activities in Fairfax County, you may also sign up for email announcements through the Comprehensive Plan listserv from our website, www.fairfaxcounty.gov/DPZ, and like the Fairfax County Land Use Planning page on Facebook. A planner of the day is also available to answer phone calls and emails, and to meet in person Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. The Department of Planning and Zoning can be reached by calling 703-324-1380, emailing dpzmail@fairfaxcounty.gov, or visiting in person at 12055 Government Center Parkway, Suite 730, Fairfax, Virginia 22035.